Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a video response. This is for Rebecca Creates here on YouTube. She is currently having a birthday Memorydex challenge giveaway. It's open until July 31st. She has prizes for both US and international. You have to be a visible subby, 18 years or older, and you just need to make her a Memorydex card with your social media information on the back, mailing address, birthday, and favorite color. And you have to do a video response, or if you don't have YouTube, or you can message her or tag her on Instagram. And she doesn't want any type of extra. So I have a Memorydex that I had made previously, one of my favorites, and it's this little bee kind one, and I'm going to share this with her. I really like this Memorydex, so I'm excited for her to receive it, and hopefully she'll enjoy it. And then I also have a little card, just a little card, Rebecca, to go along with it, because I know she doesn't want any extras. So go ahead and check her channel out here on YouTube. Once again, it's Rebecca Creates, and go ahead and help her out. She's trying to raise the number of subscribers that she has. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.